सॉरी।
दोबारा से करो।
अबे यार नहीं हो रहा है। ओ हेलो
यार
आई एम सो सॉरी अनीशा। The violence took place between the public and the police when a court-ordered survey arrived to look.
And performing seva in a bid to sort of एक से मैं लास्ट लाइन फिर से बोलती हूँ। हाँ
की और उनसे कहा कि वो स्टूडेंट से माफ़ी, और उन्होंने ये थी द प्रिंट के लिए
India has been a
रक्षक I'm sorry, this is a bit भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता होना चाहिए. Okay, I'll just start again from the beginning, huh? Just bear with me, okay? Because once I get used to it, then it'll be fine. I don't do a lot of recordings.
फिर से स्वागत है आपका चौथी बार स्वागत पॉलिटिकल अड्डा में हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं कैमरामैन जो कि घेवर को घेवर बोल रही है।
चलो अब आ जाओ, देखो जरा। Would do a reporters connect with ठीक है, इतना काफी है, बहुत हो गया ना।
आपको देखिए मैंने बैठने का मौका दिया, अब इतने देर से खड़े होकर सब वो कर रहे थे। आपको रात 3 बजे हाँ तो चुनावी टाइम है, चलिए शुरू करें। स्वागत है आपका प्योर पॉलिटिक्स में। हरियाणा में जिस तरह से बीजेपी ने तीसरी बार एक प्रचंड जनादेश के साथ सरकार बनाई है, वो कहीं ना कहीं सोच।
Let me start with Prime Minister Narendra Modi again, that he fought with exemplary margins. Let me repeat this sentence. She carries many. No. So when I said that was a first, before that I'm starting it again. No. So make it latest, not last, yeah. Or I'll say it again.
Starting here, right?
Perfect. थोड़ा सा केशव come to my right, जरा सा एकदम बस stay put.
Sorry, just let me just shoot this again. Made a mistake. Just in the edits, yeah. Just this correct.
A female orca from a pod to make a statement. Okay.
So when it is like this, please show the arrow coming from there. Right hand, like arrow basically going. Where is the light? Reflection. They are not identical. And then I'm turning this and making this identical.
Am I audible? Is it good?
One of the check.
Am I audible?
अपने पुरुषार्थ के बदौलत बने थे, अपने लोगों के बदौलत बने थे।
जी। कोर्ट ने फाइनली गंभीर चार्जेस लगाए, क्या कहेंगे?
हो गया आपका यार, अब आप
डोंट मेक नॉइज प्लीज। चलो फटाफट 5 मिनट, नॉट मोर देन 5 मिनट।
उर्दू के शायर कलीम आजिज ने लिखा है कि दामन पे ना कोई छींट, ना खंजर पे कोई दाग, तुम कत्ल करे हो कि करामात करे हो। अभी जब मैं
Bringing a lost river back to life requires a lot of work. Sorry.
क्यों बताओ? हाँ, क्योंकि इस योजना के तहत जो थोड़ी सी अपने काम में एक्टिव हैं, उन महिलाओं का चुनाव इस स्कीम के लिए किया गया है। और ठीक है।
2 days after the Supreme Court refused to extend his interim.
The BJP had been focusing on brand Modi as well as Yogi Adityanath. They all did many press. The BJP was focusing on brand Prime Minister.
1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2.
You will look a lesser leader with with 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Hi, this is Dr. Sana Hashmi, and this week in my Prince Ion China column, I wrote on the prevailing discussion. Sorry, I have to start again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.
CHPV is a virus that belongs. Amid alarms in politics and financial market. Papas, financial. Japan, United States. Reconnaissance. इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखनी पड़ेगी, रुका. Reconnaissance. I hope I'm improving.
We are looking at how to go, since reconnaissance. in American English.
Reconnaissance. On Friday, sir. नीचे reconnaissance. Okay.
Forced to conceal their identities. ये वाली line I'll take it again. In date, leading babies. I'm so sorry, Anisha.
For decades, Bihar politics has remained frozen in time. Prashant, no.
As well as Mangalore district है, दक्षिण कन्नड़ा.
सीनियर कांग्रेस, हमारे देश के बारे में थोड़ा सोच तो लो.
समझ लो.
Sorry.
The hospice has been designed keeping the patient in mind. The hospice has been designed keeping the patients in mind. You will see lot of small water body like this and greenery all around. फिर से बोलते हैं. ये आप full view का ले रहे हो तो ये भी तो ऐसे आ जाएगा. ठीक है. I'm at the Bakchi Karunashray, one of the in-house ward of the.
The BJP has. The order, however, will not affect those who have already got. By the cap. Sorry. And it was passed. And फिर से करते हैं. It's when you replenish your 1, 2, 3 start.
More on why a dog is trending in the neighboring country. Let's go to Pakistan. It's okay. Bas. Sorry, I'll do this again. Twitter users unanimously declared. बहन नीचे, I mean ऊपर, sorry. हाँ, बस, perfect. बस. हाँ, यहाँ नहीं कोई नहीं, यहाँ तक ठीक है.
For the army, one of the major developments came with the Indian light tank. Sorry, repeat.
So now we are with one of the tutors of the foundation. So now we are one of.
7 फरवरी 2024 को उत्तराखंड की धामी सरकार ने 2022 में इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद धामी सरकार ने वादा किया था कि नहीं गलत हो गया. जहां देवभूमि में एक तरफ जश्न मनाया जा रहा है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ क्या किया जा रहा है?
इसे लेकर असंतोष की सुगबुगाहट है.
अच्छा.
Really?
मैं इस साइड पे. ठीक है. हाँ, अरे कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, चालू है.
On a petition in which he had actually what happened? एक आधा कर रही थी. That's okay. I'll just finish it off.
We're almost over.
Last point बस.
Last point. Yeah.
हाँ.
No.
That's okay.
We'll just
last point कर रही थी.
बस खत्म कर रहे हैं. हाँ.
What is the future of? No, I'll just repeat this. Okay, just the last point.
Yeah.
As for Kejriwal individually, he may still have some hope because the Supreme Court is currently. Last point.
3 Korean diplomats arrived. Oh, sorry. Just to say, I'm resuming the Korea thing. I'll repeat that.
The agency first conducted its first. I'm reading from my mind and also from the teleprompter. Okay. When he was elected. 2020 to 2022, yeah. And the CBI had arrested him in June when you have to keep it running, otherwise ये रुकेगा. No, go up. We'll start from remember, huh? Remember, he was already granted bail by the top. We'll do it again.
China's People's Liberation Army. Okay, एक बार और. People's Liberation Army Navy, हाँ ठीक है. People's Liberation Navy plan. China's Navy, the plan, हाँ ठीक है. Now the base, एक बार और पूरा करते हो शुरू से. The steel, हाँ. Has surged as the okay, one more time. Has surged, okay.
In the 5th phase of Lok Sabha polls, Baramulla goes to the. फिर से looks by elections.
Check. Hello. 1, 2, 3. Check. Sound test. Hello.
There are certain aspects that parents can take into account. इसी को continue करते रहेंगे.
Well, I'm here right now with an Indian company called the Optimized Electronic. Okay, दोबारा से कर.
This is the robotic view. Yeah, no issues.
And Divorces Registration Act. No. Damn it. I'll start again.
On 11 June this year, Adnan, a native of Uttar Pradesh's Bulandshahr, allegedly stripped DL Public School is where the... In the year 2015, Manohar Lal Khattar adopted the Lok Sabha elections in all the 10 phases. The Lok Sabha elections in all the 10 phases. Sorry.
लापता विधायक की तलाश. The entire session passed, but no, but is it making sense? The Congress central leadership promptly intervened to prevent the situation. Can we do this again? I just took abrupt pauses. थोड़ा सा ऊपर. हाँ, I left the word very. I'll do it from suggestion.
उसमें मैं इकोनॉमी का एक्सपर्ट तो होने कि मैं माइक्रो में जाऊंगा. सॉरी, क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था?
वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि क्या आप इसके लिए कांग्रेस आदि जैसे विभिन्न विकृत और परेशान करने वाले तत्वों को जिम्मेदार मानते हैं कि दोबारा करूँ तो पूरा?
Continued that dharna overnight at the Mandir Marg police station. अबे यार नहीं हो रहा है. Repeat. I'm repeating the full thing, okay?
In a letter to Arvind Kejriwal yesterday, Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay. Sorry, I'll just do it again. Sorry.
It was in 1946. The Guindy Race Club was handed out to the Madras Race. The house they were built on the MGR Nagar was. According to Manoharan, the house he is residing now, which was built by his grandfather, was built based.
I'll repeat that, sorry.
Modi has an image of being a Hindu Hirday Saman. Modi has this image of being a Modi has this image of being a Hindu leader.
After the BJD government came to power for the 5th time, Chief Minister Biju. I'm standing in front of the iconic Jagannath temple in Puri. You can see the Puri.
Before that, I will be back to discuss more on India's trade policy in... Oh, hello.
But does the Ram Mandir resonate? But does the Ram Mandir...
Oh, hello. You have to go a little fast. Okay? Okay.
That's all from me in this episode of Politically Correct. Thanks for watching. No, I'll say the last sentence again.
And of course, there is a subscription. And of course, there is a subscription.
The print, this is Shubhangi Mish. ये फिर से हाँ
नया वीडियो बनाओ. We saw how a single terrorist attack in 2019 brought India and Pakistan. I'll repeat that. When the killing was done, journalist Kim Jong-un recorded in his notebook. I'll repeat that, sorry. Trump claimed the idea of giving up the canal was foolishly. I'll repeat that, scrolling up. I'll repeat that sentence.
कहाँ पे? Excuse me? Hi. Excuse me? Hi. Excuse me, sir. Will you talk on elections? No. किससे बात करें और आया? उनसे पूछो. Hi, excuse me. I'm from Delhi. I'm trying to understand, what are the issues for elections? यहाँ पर मुद्दे क्या हैं?
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the print, and for more such videos. इतना ही.